Now, China has so far insisted on using domestic vaccines to combat COVID-19. For the first time, however, Beijing is all set to get foreign COVID vaccines. Now, Germany has sent its first batch of BioNTech vaccines to China. Berlin has dispatched the shipment of vaccines to China. The shots will be given initially to German expatriates. The government says that 20,000 Germans currently living in China stand to benefit from this move. Beijing agreed to allow German nationals to get in China to get these shots after a deal was struck during Chancellor Olaf Scholz's visit to Beijing back in November. In return, Chinese nationals in Europe can be vaccinated with China's Sinovac. It's a vaccine that has not yet been approved by Europe's drug regulator. However, World Health Organization has given it a nod.
Heute die Bundesrepublik davon unterrichtet hat, dass zunächst deutsche Staatsbürgerinnen und deutsche Staatsbürger in China mit dem BioNTech-Impfstoff geimpft werden dürfen. Das sind, glaube ich, 20.000 Deutsche, die davon jetzt erstmal profitieren können. Gleichzeitig bemühen wir uns, dass neben den deutschen Staatsbürgern und Staatsbürgern auch ausländische, sogenannte Expatriates, in den Genuss eines solchen Schrittes kommen können.
The shots will be given free to anyone over 12 years of age. It will be delivered to German companies in China as well as embassy locations. The move comes amid China easing its strict zero-COVID policy, something that has led to a sudden spike in COVID cases, and China saying that the true scale of infection is now impossible to track. Even the World Health Organization has said that it is very concerned about reports of severe COVID infections across China.
I think we're talking, protective efficacies of hovering at 50% or less for those two-dose regimes in someone over 60. That's just not adequate protection in a population as large as the population of China. In such a large population with so many people in a vulnerable setting, with that coverage, we really have to focus on vaccination. Having said that, China made massive progress over the last number of weeks in actually rolling vaccines out.
Now, China has 9 COVID vaccines approved for use, more than any other country. All these 9 vaccines domestically produced. These vaccines are not based on the mRNA technology, and none of the Chinese vaccines have been updated to target the Omicron variant. On the other hand, Pfizer, BioNTech and Moderna vaccines, which are the most widely used globally, have updated their boosters to combat Omicron variant. Earlier, BioNTech had struck a deal with Shanghai Fosun Pharmaceuticals to manufacture the vaccine. The shots have been made available in Hong Kong, Macau and Taiwan, but not in mainland China, as regulatory review is still not complete here. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.